If you've been wondering which affiliate or digital marketing product is best for beginners, I give it 3 criteria. Number 1, there has to be minimum setup required. Number 2, it's something that you should be able to work along a full-time job without taking every single night of the week for you to work it. Number 3, it has to be something that you can make money right away. If you're new here, my name is Kim, 53 years old, mom of 5, wife of a cancer survivor, heart attack survivor, and most importantly, someone who just realized at 53 that my retirement plan needed more than just good vibes and hopes. So today, I'm breaking down exactly what beginners should start with based on all the mistakes that I've made, and trust me, I've made them. When I first started my digital affiliate marketing journey, I chose the wrong product. I chose products that paid me a tiny commission, a tiny percentage. I chose products that were confusing and that were not in high demand. I chose products that required technical setup that was so technical, it would literally take me months to set everything up. Most times I quit even before I began marketing the product. I tried supplements, skincare, travel memberships, tech gadgets, and at one point I was even trying to explain crypto. But everything changed when I realized that beginners should not start with physical products. Beginners should not start with low commissions, and beginners should not start with anything confusing. The best type of product for beginners is digital education with master resale rights or high profit digital programs. Now, you can create these yourselves, or you can have already done for you programs that are just ready to sell, already packaged and ready to sell. Why are these the best things to sell for beginners? They require 0 tech skills. They're already created. They solve a real problem, and they pay life-changing commission. And you can realistically replace your job with the commission that they pay. You can earn before you even become an expert. And digital education is a $400 billion industry. Everyone wants to learn online, especially busy adults who don't want to go back to school. Look, here's the thing. If you told me I had to learn to code to make an income online, I would have given up. I wouldn't have even started. Here's the truth. I chose digital programs with 100% profit because I didn't have time for complexity. I didn't have the money for trial and error by paying for ads. I didn't have the energy or the time to figure it out from scratch. The program that I chose gave me 10 income streams, 100% profit, which means when you make the sale, you earn 100% of that. One that offers daily pay. When you make a sale, you get paid that day. One that gives you a done-for-you automated system, which means the system is working and making sales for you 24/7, which allows you to make commissions while you sleep or maybe at your full time. Most importantly, a product that gives you real world training that is working right now. No matter what program you decide to promote, will not make any sales if you don't know how to market online. And that's why training is so incredibly important, because people don't take the time to learn this training. Therefore, they don't succeed. Here's what's working for me right now as a beginner-friendly marketer. I create simple value, sharing my wins and my failures. I talk about my journey, and I certainly am not pretending like I'm perfect. I'm focusing on digital products that actually help people, and I use AI tools to write content. I help people who feel overwhelmed. I just want to touch on this for a second, because when you start something new, think of a new job, it's going to be overwhelming. You're going to feel lost. When you do things day after day, it starts to become easy. And over time, the tasks that you initially thought that were difficult are actually pretty easy. And look, I don't fake it. I don't hype it. I don't promise magic. I show the process. And beginners love this because they see yourself. You will see yourself in my journey. Here's how you should choose your first affiliate or digital marketing product. Number 1, hands down, choose digital over physical products all the time because this way you don't have to worry about shipping costs. Physical products offer tiny commissions, whereas digital products offer life-changing commissions. Number 2 is you want to choose products that are in high demand. You could choose products to create a digital business or AI tools, making money online, social media growth. All of these are exploding right now. Number 3 is you want to choose something that already has training included because, again, you're a beginner. You don't need more confusion. You need a roadmap. You need step-by-step exactly what you need to do to make that income online. Step number 4 is you want to choose something with a great community and support. A community saved me when I had those what am I doing wrong moments. And you need a community that's going to support your wins and inspire you to keep going when your business isn't going as you thought it would. Step number 5, you need to choose a done-for-you product that has done-for-you systems already set up for you. The sales process, the automated sales process that I spoke about earlier. A follow-up system, all included. You don't want to have to create that yourself. And you know what? Thank goodness I found this opportunity, because just last week alone, I was laid off from my corporate job. I'm 53. I have 3 kids in college. Retirement wasn't looking very good. But this digital marketing business is giving me hope. And now it's not hype, it's hope. It's a system, it's a way to move forward, and it's a second chance to build something real. And I want that for you too. Now, if you want to see the exact system that I'm using, the one that offers 10 income streams, 100% profit, daily pay, live coaching, AI tools, just go to www.newwaytoretire.com. There's a link in the description below. And it'll walk you through the same blueprint that I'm using to build my online business publicly, mistakes and all. And if you decide to join, message me. I will personally cheer you on because I know what it feels like to start from scratch. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and join me on my journey.